Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a fully customized HTML email using Gmail. If you want to make your email stand out, add professional formatting, or include visually appealing elements, this guide is perfect for you. Let's jump right in and make email creation easier and more effective. First, open your web browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, look for the Google Apps icon in the upper right corner. It looks like a small grid of dots. Click on it, and from the menu of Google services, select the Chrome Web Store. Inside the Chrome Web Store, we need to search for a handy tool called HTML Editor for Gmail by CloudHQ. Once you find it, click on it and then select Add to Chrome. A small window will pop up asking you to confirm the installation. Go ahead and click Add Extension. After it's installed, it's a good idea to pin it to your browser toolbar for easy access later. Once the extension is installed, you may be prompted to create an account. Don't worry, this just involves linking it to your Gmail account, which is straightforward. Follow the instructions and you'll be ready to start sending HTML emails. Now, go back to your Gmail inbox and click the Compose button to start a new email. In the Compose window, locate the HTML editor icon that you pinned earlier and click on it. A new HTML editor window will open, showing the source code of the email. Here you can clear out any existing code and paste in your prepared HTML code. Make sure it's formatted correctly because even small errors can affect how the email looks. Once everything is in place, click Close Editor and your HTML email will appear in the Compose window exactly as your recipient will see it. From here, you can add the subject line, enter recipient email addresses, and include any additional content like a personal note or a PS message. Double check that everything looks perfect and then click Send. Your beautifully formatted HTML email will now be delivered, making a strong impression on your recipient, and that's it. Sending HTML emails in Gmail is easier than you might think with the right tools. This method lets you create professional, eye-catching emails in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Gmail tips, email tricks, and tech tutorials to make your digital life smoother and more productive.